back. Look what we got here. A lime green Hellcat SRT.
Alright boys, we're back. We got another Hellcat, baby.
Hold on, what can you say about this thing? What can you say? What? Real?
Excuse me. We got a Hellcat on the back. Yeah. They don't even know.
And you want to see more content of this, of it getting rebuilt and ripped, subscribe, drop a like, comment, whatever you need to do. Do all that to help us out, help yourself out.
Basically 50 on the neck, so put some respect on my name, okay?
Alright guys, it's time to put the Hellcat back together. My boy's putting on the rear bumper all together. Got the wide body wheels already on it. With the kit, it's gonna be perfect fitment. It already looks good, but dang. Got the rest of the parts in here. Alright, my boy got the rest of the wide body. What you gonna do, glue it on?
This original Widebody just clips on, as you can clearly tell.
With double-sided tape? Hey, it's gonna look good right now. Hey, let's do a little mock it up. Mock it up a little. Is it this side or? Yeah, should be. No? Yep. Oh yeah. No, that's the other piece. That's some kind of other piece. Nope. Nope. Wrong piece. That should be it. Yep. That's it. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing ain't going nowhere. They apply some panel bond to it, and this thing is certified right here. Certified wide body kit. That thing. More towards you a little. That's what happens when you buy a Chinese bumper.
It wasn't Chinese.
It was straight from Alibaba.
No, it wasn't.
How are those Chinese parts lining up, Bo?
They're not lining up. There's an issue. Bro, this is not. I don't think it's where the clips are.
Bro, come on.
What do you mean, come on?
I mean, you bought the Chinese kit. This is the Chinese consequences.
No, you sent me the link to the Chinese kit.
I ain't sent you the link. He's been at this for like 4 hours. Yo, you good? Ronnie couldn't figure it out. He had to ask Dad for some help because
Dad can't figure it out.
yeah, he can.
No, he can't.
You're just clumsy. Clumsy Ronnie. That's what they call him nowadays.
So it's not just me. He can't figure it out.
You just got it. Pulling back in. Dang, they already got a lot of work done to the Hellcat. All right, they propped up this pole on the stick and glued the wide body piece on because it didn't want to stick on good. But it sticks on good right now, so that's all that matters. Bumper's on, it looks good. And front offset's all right. Back one's gonna need some spacers. I don't know why. Because he got OEM spec wheels. Maybe the offset was different or something. But I mean, front looks pretty good. Not bad for OEM. Back's gonna need some work. Dang, what the heck is going on here? They got that weight support with the hammer. Damn. Alright guys, this is a 1 month review of the Alibaba wide body kit I got for my Hellcat. It's holding up pretty nice. Fitment is great. It lines up perfectly. Nobody will even know this is a fake Alibaba wide body kit Hellcat. I'm editing this video right now and I realized I forgot to film an outro. So if you enjoyed today's video, like the video, please. Come on guys, like it. Subscribe down below if you made it this far. I know you enjoyed it, so subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And thanks for watching.